Welcome to Artful Optics. I'm going to paint a portrait using a tonal separation technique. It's a pop art portrait because it's inspired by a silk screening technique which separates different tones, much the same way as Andy Warhol's silk screens of Marilyn Monroe. Shepard Fairey is another artist who uses this technique, so you can see the various tones are clearly separated. There's no blending. Great technique for posters and pop art. So choose several colors that would clearly represent different tones from light to dark. Now, as far as your image goes, you can use Photoshop to separate your tones, or you can just draw and try and outline each shape of a different tone. Once you've got your colors figured out for the portrait, you will simply be filling in your different tones with a specific color that is relative to it. I'm going to show it in a sped up version of a painting, and hopefully you will try your own portrait that's a pop art exploration. I hope you enjoyed looking at this painting demonstration. Please come back again for more interesting ideas and concepts and techniques. Thank you for watching.